Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix application error 0xc0000906 on Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix it? So this is very easy to fix. First you need to search cmd and welcome back to command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. If you see user account is control, so click on yes. Now type this both command line, this sfc space less can now, and this second command is this is hard command. So if you comment, so I will give in decision box this second command. First command is easy to type. If you not able to type this second command, so comment me, so I will give in decision box. So you need to just copy and paste this command. You able to type this command. This is so easy command, you can easily type, but this command is so hard. So if you not type this command, so comment me, I will give in decision box. So run this both command. Firstly type this command and run, and this second command type and run this both command and close it. After this both command will be successfully run, and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.